figure I'd show you guys a little how long it takes me to put the bike back together after being stripped down to nothing. Alright, so on today's agenda, first thing, got a buddy of mine about an hour away in Shannon, Quebec, yeah. Me and him go way back, so he invited me over, so... And, let's roll! My chain broke. We need a miracle! Watch over there, it disappears. We lose it all, shed no tears. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. Surely some run out of time. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. We need a miracle. Try to find ourselves a coffee. Got company? Okay, well, here we are. Just had a nice coffee at Tim Hortons that my good old buddy Alex got for me, and a maple dip donut, something like that. So, a nice little breakfast for all season. And now where to? Now we are going to go find another KTM dealership. It's not that I need anything, it's just, why not? Nothing. Okay, here we are. Made it to our KTM dealership. Been trying to average one a day. We are at you can see the back of the truck there, trailer, RPM Rive Sud. So I'm gonna see if we can find ourselves some knee brace socks. I keep looking a little bit for pants. At some point we're gonna have to replace these before we link up with Miss All Season. And yeah, I think that's all we're looking for right now. Maybe not pants just yet, but see if we can find some knee brace socks and just see what else we see. So anyhow, let's show you guys inside. Cheers. Okay, not a bad spot inside, you guys see. So all that I found on this trip is some, got myself some Fox knee brace socks. Supposed to kind of keep you cool and plus prevent some chafing behind the knees. So probably give these a shot tonight. Not kind of too lazy to drop my pants right now and put them on, so that might even be a next morning thing. So just did some looking up, and I'm actually only 30 kilometers from the halfway point, so that ain't too bad. We're slowly making our way there, and we're not at the halfway point as time goes, so it means we're ahead of schedule. Hopefully today, next stop, Walmart, find some food, and then try to find some trails and do as much trail riding as we can today. So anyhow, time to hit the road. See you in a bit. Cheers. Okay, here we are. You guys can tell we are in front of a Walmart, and what do we get for groceries? We got vitamin water here. Gotta get your vitamins in here when you can. We got a couple of these chicken salad cracker things. Nice quick little snack. Some banana chips. Nice healthy stuff. Then I got an empty box of pizza pops because I promised you guys some KTM cooking, so no idea how this will turn out, but back to the other side here. You guys can see we got one pizza pocket right there and one right there. No idea how they'll turn out. We'll let them heat up there and try to find a trail, and once we're on the trail we'll give them a shot, and fingers crossed they turn out not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna have my snack, I'm gonna get some gas, and then fingers crossed we find some good trail riding. Cheers. Actually, I wouldn't mind finding some good trail riding near a lake or a river, because I'm starting to stink. I could use a bath. Cheers. Alright, here we are. I got some pretty good trail riding. I hope with the GoPro, it was coming down pretty hard for a bit. I know GoPro kept on going on and off with the recording, so hopefully I got some good stuff, because man, them trails are flooded, which, hey, it's a blast. I'm having a great time. But hey, almost forgot, but let's check out our pizza pocket here. That one's feeling pretty warm, and this one here, I just took a quick peek, but where is she? Yeah, she's buried in there. Hopefully it's not too contaminated in there. She's not as hot as the other one, so we're gonna let's put that right there on that hot exhaust. Or we look at the other one, and then yeah, you guys know I like cool isolated buildings or abandoned buildings, so let's take a quick peekaboo at our pizza pocket here. Okay, let's open this bad boy up, and fingers crossed. She's warm. Okay, let's take a bite test. Don't worry about that dirt, that's just more vitamins and stuff. Well, warm. It's not ideal conditions. I don't know, maybe been cooking half an hour. If I had it there for at least an hour, I think she'd be good to go. The other one, we'll put her in that sweet spot. Hopefully she's not too dirty, and yeah, we'll hope she turns out a bit hotter than this one. But let's go take a look in this cabin. Nothing crazy fancy. I'm gonna finish my pizza pocket here, finish this trail, and keep on exploring. Cheers. What a lovely day for a bike ride, and believe it or not, I don't mean that sarcastically. I've been having the time of my life out there, and you know what? Lovely camp spot. I can have a bath tonight, which I strongly need one. Yeah, so no, I got a nice setup. I've been looking for a spot to have a bath, and plus for tomorrow morning I got a whole bunch of trails to explore. So what more can a guy on a KTM ask for? So anyhow, time to set up camp. Hopefully the rain stops, I can have a fire. we'll get back to you guys in a bit. Cheers. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Some of you guys may not have, but you guys gotta remind me in case I do forget. My second pizza pocket. Okay, let's see if this one's all shaped with dirt or not. Try to open this bad boy in front of you guys, and it feels warm. And we got some. Oh, we got a little bit of. That is. That's depressing. That's what that is. I'm not going to use that. It's shitty weather. It's hard to do some KTM cooking when it's raining. We got one that was successful, so we'll try to burn that or something. I don't freaking know. But yeah, that's shitty. Oh yeah, I'll get back to you in a bit. I'm kind of depressed right now. After a few rainy days, whenever you have a chance to have a bath or shower, just go for it. Feels refreshing. Okay, not sure if you guys can see, but the folks there in the little pontoon boat just stopped by, and everybody's always curious on seeing what I'm doing, and it is private property apparently. So I told them my story, where I came from and where I'm going, and how I plan to leave the spot cleaner than what I arrived to it. And they're like, bravo, someone who actually leaves the spot cleaner than how they arrived. Because I set a few beer cans, told them I'm picking them up. But yeah, once I told them my story, they just laughed, and yeah, they loved it. They're happy to hear I'm staying here. And so far, I gotta say good night like that. I got a fire going. I tried some fishing, struck out, no luck there. Had a bat, that feels good. And right now, just got my little poncho. Yeah. So anyhow, I'll probably cook my other 2 Pop-Tarts by the fire. And then I'm probably going to call her quits after that. At least I got a few hours to be up. But I'm going to wrap this video with you guys for now. Amazing day. Nice trail riding. Thank you guys for watching again. Till next time, remember to live and cheers. Okay, she's definitely hot to the touch. I think you're on something. That's perfect. Oven, fireside baked pizza pocket, pizza pop, whatever they are. We'll work on the KTM cooking coming up. Stay tuned, my friends. Cheers.